Hi, welcome to NPA Teaching. Today we are going to discuss the types of function. As we are already defined the concept of function, which is actually a special kind of a relation because it follows an extra rule. It is a well-behaved relation. Just like a relation, a function is also a set of ordered pairs. However, every x value must be associated to only one y value. That means relation shows the relationship between input and output, whereas a function is a special kind of a relation in which there is only one output for each and every given inputs. There are various types of functions in mathematics, and in this video I am going to discuss the four basic types, namely into function, onto function, one-to-one function and many-to-one function, along with suitable examples. Let us consider the first type of function, which is known as into function. That is, here if a function from a to b is a mapping such that at least one element of b is not an image of any element of the set A, which means if there exists at least one element in the range which is not an image of any element of the domain, then the function is generally treated as an into function. So here the function such that one element of range, that is here say the value 5 is not an image of any element of set A. Such a function is known as into function or into mapping. Another type of function is onto function. If function from A to B is a mapping such that each element of B is an image of at least one element of A. Here see, the function is such that each element of B, here elements of B are 1, 2, 3, 4, is an image of at least one element of B. So here the condition is satisfied. So such a function is known as onto function. Similarly, we have another type of function which is known as one-to-one function. See here, if all distinct elements of the domain X or A has distinct or unique image in Y or range, then generally we can say that such a type of function is one-to-one function. Here see here, domain A, B, C, D and range is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the domain, each element of the domain has unique image in the range. A for 1, B for 2, C for 3 and D for 4. So this is the one-to-one function. Many-to-one function. If two or more than two elements of domain X have the same image in Y, then such a mapping is said to be a many-to-one function. Here see, the domain are A, B, C and D and the range is 1 and 3. So here the domain A and B have the same image of 1. Similarly, the element C and D in the domain have the same image in Y, that is 3. So here we have more than two elements of domain X have same image in Y. So such a mapping is known as many-to-one function. Relationship which are one to many can also occur, but from the definition of function, they are not function. Let us take some more examples and exercise. Here some examples are given and the first one, that is domain and range, is given. The domain are A, B, C and the codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and range is 1, 2, 3. Here all the distinct element of domain has unique image. So in that sense we can say that it is a one-to-one function, but it is a mapping such that at least one element of range is not an image of any element of domain. See here, the one element of range, say 4, is not an image of any element of domain. So it is also a into function. So the first example shows that it is a one-to-one function mapping A, B, C into 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is, it is a one-to-one into function. Consider the second example. So here the domain are A, B, C and the codomain and range is 1, 2 and 3. Of course it is a one-to-one function because all the distinct element of domain has unique image in range. So it is a one-to-one function. At the same time, it is a mapping such that each element of range has image of at least one element of domain. So in that sense, we can say that it is an onto function. So if you integrate, this example is an example of one-to-one onto function. That is one-to-one function mapping ABC onto 1, 2 and 3. So it is a one-to-one onto function. See the third example. In this example, the domain is A, B, C and the range is 1 and 2. So here, more than 2 element of domain has same image in Y, such that it is a many to one function because here the element A, B in the domain has the same image in range, that is 1. At the same time, it is a mapping such that each element of range has an image of at least one element of B. So in that sense, it is an onto function. So the third example is a type of function which is many to one onto function. In the last example, we have the domain is A, B, C and the codomain is 1, 2 and 3, but the range is 1 and 3. So here more than 2 element of domain has the same image in the Y. That is, here the element of domain A, B has the same image of 1. So in that sense, it is a many to one function. At the same time, it is a mapping such that at least one element of range is not an image of any element in the domain. That is, here one element 2 is not an image of any element of domain. So in that sense, it is a into function. So this example is a type of function which is many to one into function. I hope you are clear about the basic difference between the into function, onto function, many to one function and one to one function. We will discuss the remaining types of functions in the next video. Thank you.